In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Oracle 11g on Windows 10. Whether you're setting this up for a personal project or your work environment, installing Oracle 11g can initially seem daunting, but I promise it's easier than it looks with a few straightforward steps. First, you're going to want to go to the official Oracle website. Open up your web browser and navigate to oracle.com/database, technologies/Oracle database, software downloads, .html. This is where you will find the necessary software to get started. It's always important to download software from the official site to ensure you're getting the genuine, up-to-date version without any unwanted extras. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you see the section to download the Oracle database. Look for the option specifically labeled for Windows operating systems and click Download Oracle Database, free for Windows. Downloading this package could take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a cup of coffee while you wait. Remember to choose a download location on your system that you can easily access, perhaps a dedicated folder for installations on your desktop. After the download is complete, you'll need to extract the zip file. If you don't already have a program for extracting compressed files, I recommend using software like WinRAR or 7-Zip. These tools are reliable and free to use. Navigate to where you save the downloaded file, right-click, and choose the option to extract the files here, or to a folder of your choice. This step is crucial for accessing the installer and proceeding with the installation process. Now let's move on to running the installation. In the extracted folder, look for a file recognizable as the installer. It's often an executable file like setup.exe. Double-click this file to begin the installation process. Oracle provides a straightforward installer that will guide you through the process step by step. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and don't hesitate to refer to the user guide or any on-screen help prompts if you're uncertain about a particular stage. During the installation, you'll be asked to configure the Oracle database to your preferences. For many users, the default settings are suitable, but you could customize certain elements based on your specific needs. Just make sure to review each option to ensure it's what you want. Once the installation is complete, you should get a confirmation message. At this point, you can close the installer, restart your computer to finalize the installation, and you're ready to start using Oracle 11g. Make sure to explore the many features it has to offer within your Windows environment. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Oracle 11g on your Windows 10 system. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy database managing.